Hello everyone, welcome back to our mathematics class. As usual, my name is Chizzy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to round numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. For example, when we have number like this, from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, it means we round down or the number remains the same. Okay? Stay the same. So if it is from, from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, we round up or we add 1. So with this, it's going to help us in our nearest tens, nearest hundred, and nearest thousands. Okay, look at this number we have here. This is nearest tens. We are going to round this number to the nearest tens. The first step is to pay close attention to which number we are going to round to. For example, this is nearest tens. We have to look at our normal whole number. These are units, these are tens, these are hundred. So we pay close attention to tens. If the number that is following tens is from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, it will round down. That is, the number remains the same. But if the number is up to from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are going to round up, meaning we are going to add 1. All the other number to the right will turn to 0. Right? Okay, so look at this number here. We have 3. And the next number following tens is 4. The number 3 will remain the same. Bring out 100, which is our 2. These are tens and these are units. Is 4. So we are not going to add anything here. It will remain the same. So we have our 3, then this 4 will turn to 0. When we round it up to the nearest tens, it becomes 230. Okay, look at the next number here. We have 756. 756. We are rounding to the nearest tens. This is our 100. This is tens. These are units. So we bring down our 7, which is our 100. The number following tens is 6. Is up to 5. The number following tens is up to 5. So if the number is up to 5, we do what? We round up. That means we add 1. So what we are going to do here, since the number is up to 5, we add 1 to 5, which is 6. And this number now turns to 0. So when we round 756 to the nearest tens, it becomes 760. All right, that is all we have to do in nearest tens. Okay, look at nearest hundred. Nearest hundred. We have 5,673. We have our unit here, tens, hundred, and thousand. So we are talking about nearest hundred. And which one is our nearest hundred? 6. 6 is our nearest hundred. So we look at the number following 6, and the number following 6 is 7, is up to 5. What should we do? We round up, we add 1. We round it up by adding 1 here. It becomes, bring out the same number 5. This is our 6, nearest 100. Round it up, add 1 here. It becomes 7, and other number will turn to 0. So when we round 5,673, it becomes 5,700 to the nearest 100. Okay, look at this number here. We have our 1,000, 100, tens, and units. Bring out our 1,000. The number we are talking about is our 100. Focus on our 100. So the next number following 100 is 2. Is less than 5. That means it stay the same. 4 will stay the same, which is 4. Then all other number will turn to 0. So we have 1,400. To the nearest thousand, 13,254. Remember, these are tens of thousand. These are thousand. These are hundred, tens, and unit. So we are talking about thousand here. So we have our tens of thousand. Bring it back here. Then thousand. Check the number that is following thousand is not up to 5. So we have our 3 here. Then other number will turn to 0. We have 89,314. Mark our thousand. So we have our 8 here. These are thousand. What's the number that is following? 3. Is it up to? No, it's not up to. So it stays the same. So we have our 9. And the next number will turn to 0. 89,314. When we round it up to the nearest thousand, it becomes 89,000. Now, do this. Round these numbers to the nearest hundred. 25,678 and 57,124. I believe you understand my lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and follow my Facebook page for more interesting topics. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.